Hey guys, it's been a few years since you've seen me. This is my official announcement that I'm gonna be back on YouTube. You just saw from the clips, I have a 2014 BRZ Limited that I picked up. I no longer have the GC. I parted out the wide body. I scrapped the shell and I moved on to something bigger and better. I hit a pothole back in North Carolina with the car. It ruined the subframe. It was too rusted out. It was gonna cost me way too much money to repair. So I figured it was time for me to move on. Life in North Carolina got pretty crazy for a while there. I had to put down my camera. I ended up selling it. I got a house with a friend. So COVID happened and I decided to move back to Vermont. I'm currently at my friend Matt's house. You might know him. He had that Bag 9.3, that super badass blue car that was on my channel for that clip that was uploaded. Well, this is his place, this garage, and I think it's time you guys get to meet him.
Yo, what's going on? Happy to have you here back in Vermont, Thomas.
Yeah, it feels good to be back, dude.
It's good to have you back, man. We've been crazy busy over the summer. We're really planning this channel. We're really stoked to be making this video right now. Please like, comment, subscribe. We are going to be bringing a lot of high quality content to this channel. Automotive related, obviously day-to-day life stuff, but we obviously, any input on videos and ideas would be very welcome. We're gonna be seeing a lot of the BRZ that Thomas has acquired in the last couple of years. You know, the GC's since moved on, and we're very sad about that. Maybe we'll get another one day, someday maybe, a little, you know, like beater car or something, a little rally car. But really the big goal is to grow the channel, bring really high quality content to you guys, and keep creating that. That's our main thing. We love making videos. We love working on our cars. We love all the things that most people in the automotive world love doing.
The goal for the channel right now for us is to bring you like high quality automotive content on the East Coast. I don't know of any big channel on the East Coast that's gonna be pushing for content as high quality as this. Yeah. You can tell from just the lighting that we have in here alone and the camera setups that we have that we are trying to go for something that's more cinematic like with a lot of our content that we're gonna release.
Really taking our time with it, like not trying to rush the content. And really like think it through. Obviously this is like, we're being more like a little more candid with this video and trying to provide that more in other videos, but we're definitely trying to bring informational and fun and interactive videos to the community also.
Yeah, and one thing that I'm really proud of is that we do everything in-house, whether that's automotive bodywork, that's vinyl wrapping, that's painting, general, you know, repairs, DIYs, modifications, engine builds, whatever, you name it. If we don't know it, we're willing to take the time and learn and teach ourselves. And if we fail, we grow as individuals, we grow as a team. Not only that, like Matt's self-taught with his, you know, he's a full-time content creator. He's self-taught. He's invested a lot of his time, his money into building what he has, which is going to be an empire. That is what we are going for. Okay, we're going to take over the East Coast as far as automotive content goes.
That's the garage light. It's all good. Don't worry about that.
I was on a fucking brand.
It kind of looks pretty sick though now.
All right, guys. So now you have an update on everything that's going on with the channel right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content that we're going to be releasing.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.